possible. Got a clamp there, this massive monkey wrench, and WD-40 to get with that loose. Yeah, so that's how I did that. Little clamp holding on the bottom bracket, and then this huge monkey wrench. Well, after some more spinning around, and that is rusted through, so water seeped in there. No wonder that's rusted solid. So yeah, definitely I would have a look at your bottom bracket every year, because when I bought this bike I had no idea who owned it and how often it was serviced, and you need to check up on these things, otherwise it will seize up, and that is full of rust inside. You can see that. It's rusted solid. So we're going to clean that out and put a new bottom bracket in, but we've got to get rid of the cone on the other side, and that's broken off, so we're going to saw it off. So here's the other side, and yeah, the ring's broken off. There's no way that tool, it just basically exploded when I put that tool on that. Turned it the right way, but yeah, couldn't handle it. So we're going to get a little saw a wedge out, and then that will give us some grip to chipping out. So we've got our jigsaw, and we're just going to work our way through. Well, I've drawn some lines in, well, sawn some lines in there. I'm going to get a screwdriver and just chisel that out. That's already, you see that's coming out already. It's made out of cheese. Oh, there's a bit come out now. So yeah, just gonna, oh my god. I see that rust in there. That's really bad. No wonder that wasn't coming out. Christ. I don't know if there's any threads in there at all. Well, that came out easy. Look at that. So we're going to clean that out and see what we can do with it.